July 1918. The Romanov family is led into a basement in Yekaterinburg. The Tsar, his wife, all 5 children. They were told it was for their safety. Within minutes, every one of them was dead. Why did the Bolsheviks kill an entire royal family, including teenagers and a 13-year-old boy? The Bolsheviks feared one thing above all: restoration. Monarchists were already rallying. White army forces were closing in on Yekaterinburg. If any Romanov survived, they could become a symbol, a rallying point for counter-revolution. Lenin's government decided no heir could be left alive. The family was woken after midnight and brought to a small basement room. Yakov Yurovsky read a brief execution order. Then the guards opened fire. The room was so small that ricochets wounded the shooters themselves. The children's corsets, sewn with hidden diamonds, briefly deflected bullets. The bodies were driven into the forest, doused in acid, and buried in unmarked graves. For decades, the Soviet government denied any organized killing. The remains were not found until 1991. Nicholas II did not just lose his throne. His dynasty was erased in a basement by design.